Hello everyone, this is Team Goats with problem statement ID 25035 sentiment analysis of comments through e-consultation module. When draft legislations are released for public consultations, thousands of comments are received. Manually reviewing them is time consuming and often important feedback gets overlooked. To address this, we propose an AI assisted platform that not only analyzes overall sentiment but also provides clause level insights, ensuring that feedback is tied directly to specific provisions of the draft law. The system works in multiple stages. First, comments from the MCA 21 e-consultation module are fetched and pre-processed, cleaning, tokenizing, and removing stop words using NLP-based models and pre-trained transformers. Each comment is classified as positive, negative, or neutral. Along with this, the system generates concise summaries, extracts keywords, and produces word clouds. To visualize the most common terms, these insights are stored in a structured database and presented through an interactive dashboard. What makes our solution unique is the clause level mapping of comments, so policymakers can immediately see which sections of a draft law attract strong support or criticism. In addition, we integrate a Gemini-powered chatbot which allows analysts to interact with the dataset, asking deeper questions, exploring trends, and classifying ambiguities. The platform also supports exportable reports in formats like CSV and PDF, and a human-in-the-loop mechanism ensures the model improves continuously with feedback. On feasibility, we rely on proven technologies, transformers, Gemini API, and modern web tools, making the solution both scalable and cost-effective. Cloud deployment enables handling high volumes of comments while data privacy is ensured through anonymization and encryption. The potential impact is substantial for policymakers. It saves time and highlights critical insights for faster decision making. For stakeholders, it ensures that every comment is considered, building trust and accountability. For the public, it results in more responsive and effective laws that truly address and concerns. Additionally, it reduces administrative burden by automating repetitive tasks and focusing attention on what matters most. In short, our project combines AI-driven analysis, interactive dashboards, and conventional insights and conversation insights to make the consultation process smarter, faster, and more transparent, ultimately improving governance and citizen trust. Thank you.